Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to execute a complex inbound process like we call it process oriented storage control. So let's see what are the steps we need to maintain. So complex inbound process POSC process oriented storage control. So these are the some steps we need to uh, configure. So create a new material, extend the material to the product master, extend this material to AFS, transaction T code is MMSC, and next step is to uh, go to go to the cross process setting, set up the external process steps in the in process oriented storage control. So let's go. I will show you. I already defined this. I will show you the SCM extended warehouse management. So this is the steps we need to maintain to execute the process oriented storage control. So in the cross process setting, warehouse task, define process oriented storage control. So I have defined the three steps. This one unloading, deconsolidation, and the put away. So I given the code character key INB1 for the unloading, INB2 for the deconsolidation, INB3 for the put away, and the direction is put away, and this one is put away and internal movement. So go to the core process oriented storage control. So what are the steps we need to maintain here? So go to my warehouse. So this a INB1, the warehouse process type I am using 1011, and the second is INB2 for deconsolidation. The warehouse process type is 3060. So I am we need to assign the destination storage type. Maintain the storage type for deconsolidation is 8010, and this one is storage section. And this is the bin. This is the two steps we need to maintain. Now go to the storage process definition. So for the put away for the complex for POSC, so this is the storage process we have defined, and we to assign the steps in this process like unloading, deconsolidation, and put away. Later than in next video I will add the VAS also. In this video I am just showing three steps. So these are the steps we need to maintain. So what is the next step? Define PTDI, process time determination indicator. So we need to maintain the process time determination indicator also. This one, just a key and description. So I have given CI for the complex inbound process. Next step is determine the warehouse process type. So we just put a new entry and give our warehouse or document type, the process type which we have defined, CI, and the warehouse process type is 1011. So 1011 as for the complex inbound we are using. Enter. So entry out is just already defined. Go back. One zero one one. The next step is define strategies. So let's go to the strategies. Good receipts strategies. Defines the storage types as sequence. Define storage types as sequence for the put away. So for the complex involved, so this one I am using A010 storage types as sequence. I have defined. Go to the next step. Assign storage type to storage types or sequence. Go to new end. Go to our warehouse. Just give warehouse number, storage types or sequence, and storage type. Give storage type A010. The next step is define put away control indicator. So just warehouse number, put away control indicator, and storage types or sequence. And save. Specify storage types or sequence for the put away. So we need to specify the storage types or sequence for the put away. So this is I have defined already. Go to new entries, give your warehouse number, you give your put away control indicator A010, and the process type is 1011, and the search sequence is A010. Storage type. This one is finished. Now go to the next section. Assign storage types or sequence. Okay, this I have done. Put away control indicator. Yes, this is done. Define attributes for the deconsolidation. Okay, consolidation. Define attributes for the deconsolidation. Determination procedure maximum warehouse task and put away HU. So we need to maintain here. In this define attributes for the deconsolidation, in this customizing activity, you can assign the following deconsolidation attributes to your defined activity area. Maximum number of warehouse tasks allowed for the put away handling unit, and maximum number of tasks allowed for the deconsolidation HU. You need these attributes in process-oriented storage control for the process steps deconsolidate if the number of items in the deconsolidation HU is equal to or above the maximum number of warehouse tasks allowed for it. System sends the deconsolidation HU to deconsolidation. You can distribute its content to various put away HUs there. If the number of items in the deconsolidation HU is below the maximum number of warehouse tasks allowed for it, the system skips deconsolidation. So this is the prerequisite we need to have. For example, you receive a deconsolidation HU with 15 warehouse tasks, all of whose destination data is assigned to the same activity area. You have set the maximum number of warehouse tasks in the deconsolidation HU to 10 and the maximum number of warehouse tasks in the put away HU to 5. This means process ownership control is in operation. The HU is directed to the deconsolidation. Specify the station because the maximum number of warehouse tasks in the deconsolidation HU has been exceeded. Their putaway HU are created in the course of deconsolidation. After 5 product warehouse tasks have been packed into the putaway HU, this HU is proposed for the completion on the basis of the parameter maximum number of warehouse tasks in the putaway. Therefore, release. Subsequent process step putaway. So this is the definition, explanation of this warehouse attribution. Specify. So for our warehouse storage type, I give them five numbers of warehouse tasks. HU. Assign number ranges. Next step. Assign bin to work center. Go to work center. SCM external warehouse management. master data, work center, define work center. So for our warehouse, I'm using this deconsolidation in goods receipt. So here we need to assign the external steps which we have defined. INB2. What is INB2? INB2 is for the deconsolidated. Storage type 8010. Storage type is 8010. Next text section. Repacking warehouse process type 3040. Work center layout DKMX. Save. Go back. What is next step? Assign bin to work center. Okay. We need to assign the bin to work center. Go to easy access. Go to the logistic. Go to logistic. Extended warehouse management. Extended warehouse management. Go to master data. Go to work center. So define master data attributes for our warehouse. So for the consideration, we need to assign the bin, storage bin. So it is already assigned. Save. What is next step? Extend the material master. Okay. For our product, we need to assign the process type determination and the put away control indicator. So this is my product number 1965. This is my party entitled to dispose. Go to warehouse data. So here I need to assign the process type determination indicator. So this is complex info. And for the put away, I need to assign put away control indicator, which I define 8010. Enter and save. Enter and save. So these are the setting we need to maintain in our SPRO to execute complex inbound process. To execute the complex inbound process. So next video we will test all these settings what we have maintained.